Woo! Good morning, everyone. This is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading. Let's come to you live from Asia, guys. It is Sunday morning here around about 7:14 a.m. where I am at. Hopefully, you guys having a great day. Hopefully, everything is looking pretty good. Guys, we're going to be talking about something big is going to be happening on June 5th. And not only that, on June 1st, we're going to see a huge catalyst for cryptocurrency, a huge catalyst for Dogecoin. And guys and gals, you've really got to buckle up because something very big. We could see a major freaking breakout, guys, for cryptocurrency, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, for everything out there. So guys, get ready to double down. Howdy. Remember, go down there, smash the freaking likes, share this video, be blessed, be well. Let's jump into content. And remember, none of this is financial advice. And I got my coffee. Time to get the coffee. Let's get it on, guys. Let's absolutely get this video on. Let's go. So, what's been going on? We did see that the overall markets did rally on Friday. And a lot of the reasons that the broader markets did rally on Friday is because there's more optimism about this debt ceiling thing that's going to be happening on June 1st. Now, as I did tell you, that the Treasury Secretary did sell a whole bunch of U.S. debt to backstop to the 5th of June. So it looks like we are okay to the 5th of June. But if a deal is not done soon, then technically on June 1st, the U.S. is bankrupt. So that's not going to be a good look, not a good look for the U.S. Remember, if June 1st they can't make a decision, we got till midnight, June 5th, for them to come up with an agreement. So it seems like right now, looks like Slow Joe, Papa out there. He's saying we're pretty close, and it seems that there's about a $80 million divide between striking a deal. And it looks like they're going to be rescinding or taking back $80 billion from the IRS. So nobody likes the IRS. Who cares? Boo-hoo out there. So, but that's not what we really want to talk about. We really want to talk about the elephant in the room, in that June 1st, something absolutely huge, momentous is happening. And you guys do not understand how important this is. And this could set the cryptocurrency, crypto markets into a huge parabolic explosion out there, guys. So we're going to talk about that. Much more. Overall, crypto markets looking pretty good. Looks like we're going to be seeing a nice pump it up weekend. We're not seeing any red. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 26,890 right now. We're seeing Ethereum at $1,800. Overall, all of the crypto market is up. We're seeing right now that the fear and greed right now we're neutral. We were 49 yesterday. Basically the sentiment is pretty neutral, but remember, this is a contrarian indicator. So from my perspective, when I see neutral, I still think it is time to buy. The best area to be buying is here and here. When we get into this area, this is where you want to sell. Remember, that's what the whales do. The whales are still accumulating. And later, I'm going to show you the exchange flows, and you're going to be seeing that more and more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrencies going off exchanges. So it looks like Bitcoin is holding a 200 weekly average, as Trader says inflection point is here. And what does that mean? It means that Bitcoin right now has been just trading sideways. It has been trading sideways just above the 200 weekly moving average. And this is the inflection point. Something big is going to happen. We are going to see a pretty major move for Bitcoin. Now, some of the bears say, oh, it's going to be a downside move. I don't think so. I absolutely don't think it's going to be a downside move because there's something big that's going to happen June 1st, guys. So it is absolutely insanity, guys. We're going to be doubling down on Bitcoin, doubling down on Dogecoin. I am going to absolutely double on Monday my DCA, and I'm going to be DCAing earlier than expected. Wow! Because I believe that we're going to be doubling down with this June 1st thing that's going to happen. I'm going to be talking about that. You guys can see that, you can see that definitely we're seeing that BTC is just going sideways. It's sideways, crabby wall consolidation. And, there's this inflection point. We are hitting this inflection point time and time again. And I believe that this inflection point is we're going to blow past it. And we're going to see a parabolic move June 1st for Bitcoin. That's what I'm thinking. You can also see that the Bollinger Bands right now for Bitcoin on the daily, that's getting squeezed tighter and tighter. And often, when we have the Bollinger Bands squeeze Bitcoin in a very narrow channel, that means one thing, that there's going to be an imminent move. Now, this on itself is not going to tell us it's going to move to the upside or move to the downside. But with this huge catalyst that's coming June 1st, the absolute probability is a parabolic move to the upside is greater than a move to the downside. I'll repeat it. The probability of Bitcoin making a move to the upside with this June 1st news that's coming, and I'm going to tell you about that. There's a higher degree probability of Bitcoin going up. Remember, TA only works until it doesn't. But if I look at the charts, the Bollinger Bands, the sentiment, definitely I believe that we're going to have an upside move. We can see that Bitcoin, the difficulty is still going up. The network is healthy. The network is strong. It's never been hacked, guys. So you can see that history is repeating itself just like it did in previous cycles. And we can see that this inflection point, this parabolic move is about to start, and it's going to be a culmination of things, guys. It's going to be a culmination of things. And look at the Bitcoin addresses. People holding one or more Bitcoin, it keeps going up. So the hodler's conviction, strong. Network, strong. Fundamentally, everything about Bitcoin is perfect. It's the biggest hedge against inflation, guys. You know that. So this is the big freaking news that everybody is waiting for. That this is going to be the huge catalyst, which is going to, in my opinion, set Bitcoin up for a higher degree of probability breakout than a downside collapse, guys. So Hong Kong, one of the top 10 wealthiest cities in the world, is getting into crypto June 1st. And remember, China has been a Debbie Downer when it comes to crypto, but look at this. Hong Kong is home to 129,000 millionaires, 290 centimillionaires, and 32 billionaires. The Hong Kong stock market is one of the most important stock exchanges in the world. Crypto soon as well. So from June 1st, it will be legal to hold, to sell, to trade, offer crypto services in Hong Kong. And remember, Hong Kong is the gateway to China. And if Hong Kong goes crypto, it's just a matter of time. And I did talk about in my previous video that China just released a NFT Web3 white paper, and it looks like we could be seeing widestream adoption of cryptocurrency. It's just a matter of time, guys. Smash the likes, Dogecoin 111, guys. Great time to be alive. And here's more evidence of the conviction of hodlers. We are seeing that the daily on-chain flow, we're seeing more and more outflow of Bitcoin. We're seeing more and more outflow of Ethereum. And what that means is that the amount of Ethereum, the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is getting scarcer and scarcer, second by second, minute by minute. Guys, don't sleep. Don't fall asleep, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And you can see here that overall, the exchange flow has just been going down, diddy, down. Guys, it's right here. The data is there. There's going to be volatility. There's going to be chop. There's going to be winners and losers on the shorter time frames, but on the longer term time frames, it is looking fantastic, guys. Absolutely looking fantastic. We're seeing right now the total market cap is at 1.13 trillion. That's good. We're still in positive territory. Overall, we're seeing most of the cryptocurrencies are up. Ethereum is slightly down a little bit right now. But overall, we're looking very good. Dogecoin is still holding above its 0.71 level. That is pretty good. We're seeing the Bitcoin fees right now pretty much nominal out there. We got 323 days to next halving. Lovely jubbly. We're seeing that the DXY is going down. That is good news. We're seeing that Ethereum is also doing the same thing. It is consolidating. It is coiling up. We're about to blast past an inflection point, and June 1st will also be a catalyst for Ethereum, because if Dogecoin and Bitcoin make a move, of course, Ethereum will make that move too. So what's going on with Dogecoin right now? We have seen that $2 billion in Doge held by Robinhood now after a big decline in supply. So we are seeing some huge whales have moved some of their Dogecoin off the Robinhood platform. Interesting news out there. What does that mean? So it looks like about $4 million was transferred from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. Interesting. Look at the love. Look at the fee. Someone just transferred $4 million worth of Doge, cost 71 cents. Wow. Also, if you take a look at the current combined amount of Dogecoin held by Robinhood on behalf of its investors, it is about 16% of its circulating supply. It used to be 24%. Now it's 16%. And some of this has been a lot of the Dogecoin holders on Robinhood have gotten smarter, gotten wiser, and they have started to move their Dogecoin to a hardware wallet. And in case you missed it, guys, get a NANO Leger hardware wallet. You've got to do that. You've got to secure your crypto. And remember, if you do not own the keys, you don't own the crypto. Now, there's a lot of scuttlebutt that, about Ledger, and that they had this whole recovery service. And there was this all this piece about, the government can get your keys and this and that. Now, yes, they can. And here's the truth. If you sign up for the subscription service, it's been suspended right now, and the government issues a court order warrant to Ledger, then they will give the data. However, if you do not sign up for the subscription service, you own the keys. You have the keys, not the third party. So if you don't sign up for the subscription service, you got nothing to worry about. Okay. So that's what that's all about, in case you guys kind of missed it out there, because some people are really kind of worrying what's going on out there with that, guys and gals. So interesting news for Dogecoin. What's going on, guys? Happy days out there. We are seeing that Dogecoin is unstoppable. Elon Musk loves the Doge Woozer. We love the Doge, guys. So what's going on in terms of price for Dogecoin? Dogecoin right now did make a nice move yesterday. It went up almost 2.53%, which is pretty good. No real big news, just some positiveness out there for Doge community. We're seeing that the social mentions are up as well. I think we're all waiting for the Bitcoin inflection point and the breakout to the upside. And that's just a matter of time, guys. We're seeing that. If you take a look at the tokenomics right now for Dogecoin, guys, if you love this content, smash the freaking likes, guys. Share. Don't forget to go down there and give a super thanks, a super chat. Would be appreciated out there, guys. It's a heart mark. Go down there, show the love, guys. Show the love. Guys, if you want the OGs to start to do premiere live streams again, go down and comment. Tell me what you want, okay? Guys, I apologize for that. My schedule of work has been crazy. We're heading into the high season for the hotel. So what does that mean? It means that I got less time, less free time, but I love the community, love you all right now. So we're seeing that Dogecoin is up 2.17%, so that's pretty good. We're seeing that the volumes are down though weekend, but we're seeing that the Dogecoin market cap is above 10 billion. So I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling happy. Feeling pretty happy about that, guys and gals out there. We are seeing that more than 48% of Dogecoin holders are in the money. 50% now, bang. 50% of Dogecoin holders are in the money, so you should be pretty happy. Unlike our Shiba Inu and Pepe Coin holders who are out of the money. Dogecoin, Elon Musk, what a beautiful pairing out there. We're seeing that social mentions are up today. Engagements are down. Social dollars is also okay and out as well. So not too bad. In terms of the ranking of Dogecoin, let's take a look. Let's refresh this Dogecoin 101. Don't forget to smash the likes. We're seeing right now Dogecoin is still hanging on to number 8, and it looks like Pepe. But Pepe is also looking interesting at spot number 4. So it looks like Pepe on the hourly, it's kind of just doing its thing. It's also going sideways, consolidating. Nothing much is happening out there. It's just doing its thing. It's pretty much meme-ish. It's being meme-ish, but we are seeing that, yesterday we did go up yesterday about 4%. We've come down today about almost 1%. So a little bit of profit taken, but we have this huge resistance right here for Pepe at 15.9. We keep hitting that resistance, guys. Could this be the inflection point? Could this be the catalyst? Could this be what Pepe Coin needs to get itself to get on up out there? So we are seeing that Pepe is up right now 4%. It's at 15. Overall, we're seeing that the market cap is about 600 million, and we're seeing the volumes are also down and light out there as well. Guys, be part of the freaking conversation. Absolutely be part of the conversation. Join our Discord. I would appreciate it. And what's going on with Shiba Inu price right now? Shiba Weeby is also up right now. It's up, but it's still, this whole 900 level is resistance that Shiba Inu cannot get past, guys. Getting pretty tiring, pretty sad when it comes to Shiba Inu. Nothing really big is happening out there. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money? For Shiba Inu, it's not changed, still 16%. OMG. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Guys, don't forget to get the merch, guys. I appreciate it. And go and follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it, guys. And be blessed, be well. And if you want to support the channel, please go ahead, guys. We've got become a Patreon member. We've got a tip jar. You can send a tip to us right there. Send a tip. to us, the exchanges we like, guys. Send us some Dogecoin, all that kind of stuff, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.